To check the driver's lubricant level, simply unscrew the crankcase cover by hand. Remove the O-ring from the crankcase cover. Visually inspect the O-ring to ensure that there are no tears or rips. You want a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of lubricant caked around the inside wall to make sure you have the proper amount of lubrication in the system. Add or remove EP0 grease as needed. Do not overfill. Replace the O-ring onto the crankcase cover. Reattach the crankcase cover by hand tightening.
For more information, visit TitanPostDrivers.com.